Nice chilly morning here in North Queensland. It's currently 20 degrees, but it feels like 12, which is a bit unusual. This is due to the southerly winds pushing up from the low pressure system, East Coast side, that's moving over New South Wales at the moment, which has also developed that snow across the New South Wales northern tablelands. A lot of the forecast models drop this snow signal. However, obviously the snow fell because the mechanisms were still there with the cold air aloft and the moisture coming in from the northeast. What's interesting though is this cold temperature surge that's starting to build in early August. We are forecasting a much colder second half of August. So use this cold change as a bit of a precursor to some trends that might be forming for the month ahead. And that involves these broad upper cold pools, broad upper troughs, and potential for more low pressure systems along the New South Wales coast. This is also associated with that polar vortex event that we discussed in a few previous updates, which would displace some cold air anomalies from the Antarctic region and eject them northwards into Australia, particularly the east. So we'll be covering this in the next updates this week. So we've got some farmers in northeast Queensland who farm their mangoes, and they rely on the cold mornings, particularly frosty mornings, to set a good blossom on their trees. So it'll be quite interesting to see how this all plays out over the next few weeks. Anyway, stay up to date. I put a website update out yesterday for East Coast Low. There's very little change to the modelling, so have a check that out, and yeah, drop a comment if you're in New South Wales. Let me know how the wind and rain is. Cheers.